What if Bangladesh never existed? No Bangladesh means no Bengal tigers. The most powerful cats on earth will be gone. No Bangladesh means no YouTube, because the co-founder of YouTube, who uploaded the first video, has Bangladeshi roots. No Bangladesh means 12 million children stay out of school, because the world's largest NGO, BRAC, started here. No Bangladesh means no way to track criminals, because Bangladesh created the fingerprint system the whole world uses today. No Bangladesh means 70 million lives lost to dehydration, because the life-saving salt sugar drink was perfected here. A world without Bangladesh also means 140 million people stay in poverty, because the first man who made banks lend money to the poor was Bangladeshi. No Bangladesh means no Sundarbans. The largest mangrove forest in the world will be gone. Floods and cyclones would hit harder and millions would lose their homes. No Bangladesh means no Cox's Bazar. The longest natural beach in the world would disappear. And lastly, no Bangladesh means no Panta Ilish at New Year's, no Hilsha curry at Eid, and no Mishti Doi to end the meal. A world without Mishti Doi, what's the point? Follow for more.